Hey guys, welcome to MarineMax Dallas. I'm Chris Harding, and today we are sitting on this brand new 2019 Sea Ray SLX 280. This boat is one of their premium models. Sea Ray, every boat's a premium model, but this boat is one of my favorite. Great lounge area in the back here. You can have a backrest sitting up right there, or you can lean all the way back. Great layout area, great tanning area. Lots of storage inside of here. Bumper storage, wetline storage, shore power cord storage. Area over here on the port side for life jackets and saddle floats and noodles. You know, all the stuff you're going to need while you're coved up, hanging out, floating on the lake for a day. This boat does have a submersible swim platform that comes out from under this integrated swim platform. Faux teak all the way throughout. So not only did we do the faux teak on the swim platform in the walkthrough, we also did it inside the boat. Cooler on the starboard side entry walkthrough. Tons of room inside the boat, great for entertaining for a day, great for hanging out on the water for a day. If you want to get under the shade in this bimming area, this power tower, fold down power tower gives you a ton of shade. You can see how big the top is on this. Tower speakers in the sides of the tower. This boat does have a multi-zone control, so you can control these speakers separate from these speakers, separate from the transom speakers. Cooling drawer. Inside this 280, we did do some really nice options on this boat. Removable cooler. Check out the blue LED lighting. As you'll see with all of our SLX boats, these really nice fiberglass backed seats on both sides. Twin 12-inch Simrads. Now, while this boat doesn't have radar, these do have radar for them. We are in demo mode. You can chart plotter, so you got your GPS, you've got fish finder, you've got your engine information inside of there. You've also got your stereo controls inside of there. Fusion Bluetooth upgraded sound system, digital throttle and shift. Now this boat's pretty loaded. It's got a 8.2 liter engine in it, Mercruiser engine in it, so plenty of power to get out on the water. Upgraded interior head. It is a vacuum flush system, so it's got a holding tank in the boat. Stainless steel wraparound windshield. Plenty of room up in the bow. It does have a stainless steel anchor on the windlass, so nice thing about a windlass is you're not sitting there pulling that anchor up from the bottom of the lake. Lots of room to lounge and lay out on. Beautiful blue LED lighting throughout, just like Sea Ray does with all of their SLX models. They're leather wrapped handrails, really detailed inside of here. So, I'm Chris Harding with MarineMax Dallas. If you have any questions on this SLX 280, feel free to give us a call at 972-436-9979 or visit us at MarineMax.com to get some more pictures of it and look at it a little more, get some more information on it. Thanks, and we look forward to seeing you. Have a great day.